You gon' bust it for the team or what? Let my ass bitch on scene for what? You gon' drop it to your knees or what? Make it clap, make it.
Hey Liz, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is how to grab attention on smelling good all day using cheap body sprays. Yes.
Oh, say less.
You know we want to grab attention on smelling good. Let the boys come to us, you feel me, boo-boo? So if you're new here, my name's Danyel and Anyssa. Oh my god. If you're new here, my name's Danyel and Anyssa. I would love for you to subscribe, join the Boo family, and give it a thumbs up. It means so much if you give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And don't forget to on your bell notification. So let's get into this video. I decided to do this video because, you know, we need perfumes to attract people. You know, you like to get compliments. You're like, oh, you smell so good. What is it? We like that, right? So these are like my top sprays that like I grab attention, and y'all need these in your life. So like, why not share y'all to my boos, right? Yes. So my first, let's start with this Bodman Black Fragrance Body Spray. I don't know if it's me or not, but I like to wear sometimes guy perfume or guy cologne because it smells better and it lasts longer and it attracts. You know, you smell like a guy. You feel me? Like, you know, I like smelling guys sometimes. So this is like a good cheap one you want to start off with. I like this one's like what, $3, maybe under $5, pretty sure. But yes, I like the black one, but there's other colors. But I got this at Walmart. I don't know if I can tell the reflection, but it's that one. Next spray, boo boo. So I don't know if y'all gone to Victoria's Secret. I'm pretty sure all girls do, but these are bomb scents from the Victoria's Secret site, and this is Bombshell Body Mist by Victoria's Secret. Guys, look, you know this was good when I'm at the bottom, but they have a bigger one. But this is the mini version. I like to keep this in my backpack or purse, who knows, if whatever you choose. But it smells so good and it attracts, oh my god, many people. It just has that very sexy, independent smell. I don't know what it is. But yes, this, like around Christmas time, they have like all these mini sets. They're all smell good, boo, but this one's my favorite. Bombshell. Second favorite from Victoria's Secret is the tease. OMG. Yes, boo, tease. We're gonna tease them. You feel me? I'm not sure. 7.5? I don't know. Next is this Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla. Every girl has to have. If you haven't tried any, you need to go try them because they're so bomb. You can't really tell, but it's the tea version. Tease. I'm so sorry y'all can't see it, but they're really good. I think they're like $10. The little one's probably like $7. Everybody has to have vanilla in their collection. It's okay, but like I used to hate vanilla. I'm like, ew, I would never wear vanilla. But all of a sudden, my scents change, and I'm like in love with vanilla lately. And that like this one attracts my boyfriend. He likes me smelling sweet, so like of course you're gonna have to get the bath. Even after the shower, yes, boo, yeah. This one's from Bath and Body Works. It's Into the Night Fine Fragrance Mist. Oh, this smells so good. This one, oh, it doesn't say what's in, but like I can't explain it. It's very like sexy. It smells like independent to me. What's that smell, you know? It smells bomb, but that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Yes, we love that. And this one is like an oldie but a goodie. I got this one from Walmart. This is the Paris Hilton Fragrance Mist. OMG. Okay, y'all girls and guys have to get this. Oh, it smells so good. I just like that like back in the day scent, you feel me? Paris Hilton. This one, I think we tried another one, but get the one with the purple. This is at like your local grocery store too. If not, mind it. But I got this one at Walmart. This one smells very, 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 very good. It smells like, you know, back in the day. And to go with that, you can't beat your Ed Hardy. Oh my god, if y'all Ed Hardy goes hard. If you haven't tried Ed Hardy, go get this at Walmart. They have it at Walmart too. I think it's like $10 for these. And this is their pink one. Second bottle. This is so good. This is so good, guys. I recommend to get this one. And also you can mix like vanilla, and you can probably mix like Bombshell mix with it, like mix perfumes around, and it'll smell so good. That's what I do sometimes. Or you can get like say you get bare vanilla and then like find an oil for like say from Victoria's Secret, they have body perfume oils, you know, the roll-ons, and bare vanilla. Oh my god, yeah guys, it smells so good. Yes. And lastly, this is a perfume if you want to splurge a little bit, but I had to include this one here because it's so bomb. Even though it's not a perfume, but she should make a perfume. If she does, oh my god. She should make a body spray because it smells good. This is the Jennifer Lopez Promise perfume. But I had to mention this one's like 20 something bucks. It's expensive, but not that expensive. But this is a bomb smell, like when you want to go out on a date or something, or you're going to a special occasion. You have to get this one. This is my favorite. I'm gonna get like another bottle, probably a bigger bottle, because you know, yes. This one's from also Bath and Body Works. This one's called In the Sun. This one smells so good, like right after the beach. This one smells really good after the beach, you know, right when you like go after you take a shower, you spray this. It smells amazing. You smell like you're like at a freaking resort. It smells so good if you haven't tried this. And if y'all can't see it, that's what it looks like. Probably the bottle change every holiday or not. But these are my top favorite body sprays besides perfume. But like go to you can also probably like find an oil or like get a regular oil. Like this one I got from Dollar Tree. You can just get a regular baby oil, even if you want to try, and spray this and then mix it with which one? I mix it with this one, bare vanilla, and this. Oh, it smells so good. I don't know if it's just me or not, but like I can smell like a mixture, and it smells so good. If you want to do like a little bit, if you're going out somewhere, like get a little bit of oil and then just that. Even though not without the oil, but the oil makes it last longer if you want it. But these berries smell so good. These are my top favorites. These are my go-to sprays whenever, like, you know, I want to smell good and I want to like attention, like, oh, where'd you get that? I would wear these perfumes. So this is it for my video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.